A person who loves books is called? Answer is option A, bibliophile. A person who does not believe in God is called? Answer is option C, atheist. A government ruled by the people is called? Answer is option B, democracy. A speech delivered without preparation is called? Answer is option B, extempore. A person who believes in fate is called? Answer is option B, fatalist. A life history written by oneself is called? Answer is option A, autobiography. A life history written by someone else is called? Answer is option B, biography. A person who cannot be corrected is called? Answer is option C, incorrigible. One who knows many languages is called? Answer is option A, linguist. A person who is unsure about the existence of God is called? Answer is option C, agnostic. A person who loves mankind or selflessly helps others is called? Answer is option A, altruist. A government by one person with absolute power is called? Answer is option D, autocracy. A place where bees are kept is called? Answer is option A, apiary. A system where there is no government or law is called? Answer is option A, anarchy. A place where weapons and arms are stored is called? Answer is option A, armory. A person who is indifferent to pleasure or pain is called? Answer is option B, apathetic. A person who makes maps is called? Answer is option C, cartographer. A person who flies an aircraft is called? Answer is option C, aviator. A person who is new or inexperienced in a field is called? Answer is option C, amateur. A person who studies the structure of the human body is called? Answer is option C, anatomist. A person who predicts future by stars is called? Answer is option D, a astrologer. A person who hates mankind is called? Answer is option A, misanthrope. A person who loves himself excessively is called? Answer is option B, a narcissist. A person who is against something is called? Answer is option D, antagonist. A person who collects coins is called? Answer is option D, numismatist. A person who walks in sleep is called? Answer is option A, somnambulist. A person who eats both plants and animals is called? Answer is option B, omnivore. A person who makes or repairs shoes is called? Answer is option A, cobbler. Person who builds houses with bricks is called? Answer is option A, mason. A person who studies weather is called? Answer is option B, meteorologist.